Pursuit of justice, the parents of the 21 boys who tragically lost their lives in the Hillside Endarasha Academy dormitory fire 1 year ago have taken legal action against several key authorities. Supported by civil society organizations, the parents have filed a constitutional petition in the High Court holding the school proprietors and other officials accountable for the devastating incident.
On September 5, 2024, 21 boys of Hillside Endarasha Academy lost their lives following a fire outbreak on the school dormitory. The emotional toll of this tragedy is deeply felt among the families who are now demanding accountability and systemic change.
Of the rights of the deceased children.
Raphael Oliet, the lawyer representing the families, emphasized that their primary goal is to ensure all schools provide safe learning environments. The petition seeks to compel the respondents to release the findings from the fire investigation within 30 days, reflecting the parents' demand for transparency regarding the circumstances surrounding their sons' deaths.
We put it at the doorstep of the government that they have a right, they have a responsibility to protect the rights. That our parents, ourselves, will never take our children to school only to be called to collect bodies. Compensation is not enough, but justice and clarity on what happened would at least assuage the anger of this parent.
Boaz Waruku stated that while compensation may follow, their main focus is on ensuring clarity and accountability.
And what we are mainly seeking from the court is the defense of the Constitution and the upholding of the rights of the deceased children that their lives were cut short during the Endarasha Hillside Academy fire on the 5th of September 2024.
She highlighted the deep emotional trauma experienced by the families, stressing that no parent should endure the nightmare of losing a child due to negligence.
At Hillside Endarasha, we are convinced that there was negligence and that justice needs to be served. We are convinced that someone should be held accountable because someone slept on their job. Because no parent in this country or elsewhere should send their children to school only to receive them in charred form.
The petitioners have explained that the petition goes beyond compensation. It is about upholding the fundamental rights of children, the right to life, safety, dignity, and education. They claim that the ongoing violations stem from silence and lack of transparency by duty bearers.